Hello guys. Hello guys. King Peter here doing a mod showcase. First I'm going to do DC Heroes, Marvel Heroes, the weapons, and their enemies. First off, Nightwing. Where hold on Nightwing. Oh shit. This is a mod showcase. And if you're asking it, what is this showcase? I mean this mod is the Superheroes Unlimited mod. You know what is Nightwing's power? Speed, strength, jump boost. Well, I don't know Nightwing or anything like that, but he's cool. Ooh, don't be. Now, okay, guys. Now, let's try Robin. Robin. Okay. Robin has no superpowers, but he is speed, jump boost. I don't know if he knows parkour, but I think he is the apprentice of the Batman. Okay guys, moving on. I'm back and this is Superman. I believe he can fly. Oh, he's super speedy. Sorry for the lag guys. So like boom. Okay guys, this is part 1. Okay. If this is the mod showcase Superheroes mod. Part 1, part 2 will be released tonight. And in part 2 will be the enemies and the weapons. But today, all the superheroes. Oh fuck it. And now, we'll try a normal being. A name of I'm Batman. We jump boost. What the fuck is that anyway? Next up. Ooh, he's sexy. Wonder Woman. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. It's so cute. This first. Oh shit. Batman get up. I don't like you even. You're cool. Oh, she looks sexy. Huh? 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 Does she look sexy? Huh? 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 Well, apparently he doesn't. Next up, Green Lantern. Apparently I don't know this shit. Uh, I don't think he has a weapon. Yeah, he has. Oh, this lag. Fuck you. Oh, it's really. Oh, it's really powerful. Ooh, good. Oh, yeah. Next stop on the list, Flash. I believe he can run on water. Just press just one and press F, and he swims very fast. Yeah, I tried it, but apparently I'm not gonna show it to you because of the lagginess. Ooh, this guy's weak. He's only speed. Ooh, yeah, I'm not sprinting, guys. He's really quick. Oh man, this guy is awesome. I can't even go to chest. But speed's only power. It's like he sucks still. Okay. Next up, Martian Man. Hunter. Does anybody know who this guy is? Because really, I'm like the only person who doesn't know this crap. What is superpowers like? Going to space? Let's check. Ooh, oh, he's invisible. But he still sucks for me. Next up, of course, Aquaman. He can breathe underwater. Oh shit. Oh no, the superheroes. I broke it. Well, guys, I'm just gonna introduce you everyone without even wearing it because it's kinda hard. Or top Superman, very powerful, have super strength. Batman, a normal being, has think speed. Wonder Woman can fly and think he have strength. Lantern needs rings to be created. He's so super powerful too. Flash super speed can run, I mean swim through water very fast. This guy's invisibility is awesome. Aquaman said can breathe underwater and I think control squids. Green Arrow, when he has his bow, his superhero, has about one hitting you because he's super fast. I mean super powerful. Now Robin's have parkour skills. Even if snowboarding, he has speed because he trained. But girls like Batman, yeah, so Nightwing's like Batman, yeah, so Red Hood so powerful, yeah, no, yeah, and Damon Wayans don't know about him. He thinks sucks. Okay, now wait. These are the Marvels. At least I'm gonna wear at least two, and I pick this guy and Hulk. But first, I'm gonna introduce you it all. First off, Deadpool has the most powerful weapon. The Deadpool sword has 29 damage. Not weapon, but the most powerful sword in this mod. But the most powerful weapon is Thor's Mjolnir. Yeah, Deadpool's awesome. Never heard of him. Yeah, Wolverine, I heard of him. He has his claws, 24 damage, I think. He has, I think, superpowers. And now Spider-Man has his web shooter. He's very jump boost, very fast. And Black Panther's, I think, invisible. But he has his cross 12 damage. I have for full burns. Wasps fly. It's very fast. Very powerful too. And man never heard of him. I think controls ants. Blah blah blah. Hulk's my favorite. Very fast. Very powerful. One of the favorites of people like me. And then there's Thor's Mjolnir, powerful. Very fast. Can fly with it. Captain America's shield, yes. Very awesome too. Very powerful, but only has a 9 damage. I think he has armor too. That is very, very powerful. And now here's his Iron Man's feature. Iron Man, Iron Man. I forgot his leggings. I forgot his leggings. See, that's the most epic in this. Sorry guys for the delay. And finally complete. Must be full armor to be this awesome. It can Butterblade. Yeah, look at those. I believe he can fly. Yes, I am flying now. Woo! Yeah, I'm done. Now, before we end this part one, I would also like you to introduce my favorite, most easy to use Hulk. Hulk smash!